Everyone, welcome to this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to know analyzing the data with Hadoop. So what are the main steps of analyzing the data with Hadoop? So first we need the data source, then acquisition step, then how we are going to store and how you are going to process, and finally the visualization. So in this, I'm going to take the example of how the transportation companies working on this big data concept. So first step is data sources. The transportation company collects the data from various sources. So we can collect the data from in a different way. So for example, GPS devices installed in the vehicle. So from this we can collect the data and APIs. So what is the weather, all those things is updated. And whenever the customers are booking, the systems are collecting the data from the web logs and maintenance log from the vehicle systems. So once the data is collected, so the next step is we have to do the further processing. For example, GPS coordinates are processed to obtain the location data, and similarly, weather APIs provides the weather-related informations. So we have to do the pre-process of this data. Then third step, we have to do the storage. So whatever the data are collected, we have to store in the big data systems. So we already discussed storage handle in the Hadoop as HDFS, that is Hadoop file systems, to handle the large volume of data in an efficient manner. As well as data are organized into partitions and stored in the fault-tolerant manners across the clusters. So for the fault-tolerant purpose, we are doing the checksums added, that is the CRC 32-bit numbers to avoid that errors. So the next step is processing. So for the processing, so we have the different tools in the systems, the MapReduce. So we are going to use Apache Spark to analyze the data in the real time and batch mode. So this process location data to monitor the vehicle movements. So how the traffic patterns. So what is the travel time between the destinations, as well as it's perform additionally the real-time processing to optimize the route planning and provide the drivers with immediate updates. So once process the data, the next step is data management. It's mainly ensure for the data qualities and data covers data through its life cycles. So any inconsistency or maybe error in the data, so it's help to cleanizing the data. So to understand again the structure and meaning and more about with the help of the metadata. So final step is analytics and visualizations. So once you collected, processed, stored, you done some analysis. So we have to give the visualizations with the help of connecting with the BI tools. So Power BI tools are data visualization prompt to get the how the data are processed. For example, we are generating the reports and dashboards to monitor the how the vehicle is utilized. Then what is the driver performance? So how the customer is satisfied? So how the vehicle is utilized? What is the fuel efficiency? So these are the things we can visualize with the help of visualization tool. And also display the real-time traffic conditions and route recommendations also to drivers. So additionally, we can other parameters like security and privacies, scalabilities, integrations, and data governance and compliance. So these are the additional process tools we can do. So in this session, you have learned about how to analyze the data. So mainly we taken in this transportation data with the help of Hadoop. So now quiz time. Which Hadoop component is used for data exploration and visualizations? Option A, HDFS, B, MapReduce, Yarn, and Zeppelin. So as we know, HDFS for storage, MapReduce for processing, Yarn for resource management. So the final answers we know that Zeppelin, that is the data visualizations. So thank you.